We are back with new course that is offered by Infosys. This is completely free. You will learn core skills of your job ready program. Even you will get more beneficial it in your field also. So this is the capabilities the Infosys gave to us. Okay, so just move to the first course, that is data structure and algorithm. So what is DSA? DSA is an important factor nowadays. This is powered by the Infosys. The authors and the creators is Shubham, and this process will completely online. आपको ये प्रोसेस कम्प्लीटली ऑनलाइन ही मिलने वाली है और ये गेट रेडी टू सोल्व मॉडर्न computer problems with the data structure and algorithm. So data structure and algorithm just give us a opportunity fragment that just helping us in a very frequent or simplest way to solve the real life problems in coding scenario. So this is about the data structure, and you will learn in details. Get ready to solve modern computing problems with the data structure and algorithm. Firstly, you will understand what the course introduction is and big of O notion. So what is big of O? Big of is a time complexity thing, so that the coders will consider that particular problem solved in this particular time frame. So this is just can be calculated by the big of O notion. Essential concept will also get learned in this course, and for data structure introduction is complete roadmap. And next, the arrays. What is linked list? Linked list is also an important stack queues that is also understandable by just their names. Hash tables, trees, heaps, tries, graphs. Essential concept second. Then the searching algorithm. Searching, most of the in interviews, basic problems of the data structure just belongs to sorting algorithms. So first, the searching algorithm, like you have to give a particular string or array. You have to search a particular element in this array. How did you solve in a big of n time frame, or these kind of things just ask you in the interview process of Infosys, Doubly, and others also. So the sorting, advanced level of the sorting, and trees traversals, graph traversals. ठीक है, and this will also give you an interview question. Okay, implementation to some min stack, max stack, design of linked list, reverse linked list, constructing a binary tree, invert binary tree, constructing a binary search tree, detect capital, reverse string, longest palindromic substring. Or thank you for the beginning here, and you will get the 1 hour of assessment also. This will examine you in whole level, or at a glance you have this course which is around 20 hour 51 minute length. This is an intermediate level. This is totally free for you. This is global region. You can access from United States or anywhere in the world. This is totally programming based, and the cherry on a cake in this course or in this Infosys portal, you will get that there is a navigation portal. You will get the navigation also. There is an internship options, like you after the completion of this course you can apply for the internships. Okay, this is a playground. So in the playground, the Infosys members used to post a few tasks or few events, or kind of a few computational coding playground kind of thing. So they are just analyze you guys, so that you are capable for the internships or kind of a prize thing, you are just eligible for it or not. So they are just uh, access you by these things. Okay, or this is a scratch. This is what you can whatever you wanted to just write somewhere, so you can write in here as a comment, or you can set your goals. So like I have to dedicate this particular course daily for a 3 hour, so you can just set a goal, or whatever you can just go and click and access, and you will understand how useful it is. Okay, and these are the channels. So the Infosys is just working on a few kind of projects also, or a basic learning programming. So also they have had a channel you can access from here. Exactly, or just nothing else. These are the good. This is the first course, that is what we are talking about, and the next one is fundamental of information security. This is the second one course. So in this process will gonna be same as like as the previous one. Okay, or the authors and the creators of this fundamental information security is Vishnu Ganesh .v or ek Lakshmi ma'am. Okay, these are the creators. This course is short one, like 3 hour and 24 minutes, beginner level, free of cost. Infosys Wingspan. Infosys Wingspan is a culture of Infosys that used to provide a free certification courses or free training to the newbies. Okay, so or in this course you will understand the information security, cyber security, cyber data security fundamental, or CIS. These are the important things that you will learn in this course. Okay, or skill totally you will gain is data security, all kind of thing. Okay, or the table contains why information security is important, what is information security, data security, network security, application security, clauses, or fundamental of information security. Assessment is just the part of all these courses. In this assessment you will have asked by the moderators that what you have learned to this course, all will be related to these learning paths. Okay, so just this process is totally simple. You have to just go to there in the right corner, or you will just on the top right corner, or you will find here a login page or sign up page. Go there, just click on and get into it. And this was all about this free courses by the Infosys. Link will be in description. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe. Subscription is our motivation for you to make these kind of courses, to these kind of free courses. Thank you. Please subscribe.